I've been told that we need to tolerate all sorts of...
God does not tolerate evil, and neither should we.
It's a beautiful way to put it. So what do you make of the modern right? The modern left is always pushing this stuff. But a lot of the modern right says, look, there was a prominent columnist who called himself conservative. I guess he sort of was for a while, but now he's pretty firmly on the left. Mm-hmm. And he said, I don't like Drag Queen Story Hour, but we need to tolerate it. It's one of the blessings of liberty. If we don't tolerate Drag Queen Story Hour...
What?
Yes.
A blessing of liberty?
Well, it's in the preamble to the Constitution. I think James Madison's rolling over in his grave at the very thought of that.
The Constitution mentions trannies, does it?
Not in my last read.
I mean, I was raised in an environment where we were, basically taught to be tolerant mm-hmm. of people, of their foibles, and if they wanted to be a little bit deviant, well, a little bit of deviation is good. You can't just be locked into one rigid way of looking at things. So I developed tolerance. But now they've become militant. They've become rabid. They're shoving it down children's throats, and it's just not good for society, okay? It violates the biological imperative of survival, okay? To become totally sexual. There's a reason that men and women exist and that they mate and create children. It's for the survival of the human race, okay? That has to remain paramount. That's got to be the preferred mode of existence, okay? You've got to buy into that. Now, if you want to deviate a little bit in your private life and you've got somebody, who agrees to be deviant along those lines and you want to get together in the privacy of your own abode,
You're not going to have Chris Langan knocking on their door.
I'm not going to knock on their door. It's none of my business. It's for them to work out with God Almighty, okay? And if they can do that, more power to them. I don't know how they're going to do it, but give them a chance, okay? But when they go out and they have gay day parades where they're cavorting, nude, and they're going into children's restrooms and so forth, that's where we have to draw the line.
Yep.